What is Zero Trust Edge, or ZTE? Zero Trust Edge is a cloud-driven architecture that combines networking and security, using zero trust principles to authenticate and monitor all network interactions. Enterprises are adopting ZTE to securely connect users and devices to resources. A key application is securing remote workers while reducing the need for traditional VPNs. Why is Zero Trust Edge important? ZTE provides a secure gateway for internet access and protects organizational data across physical sites and remote workforces. Here's why ZTE matters. First, it enforces strict security policies for all network traffic. Second, it prioritizes secure internet access, neutralizing potential threats. Third, it ensures compliance with security trust levels across the board. In today's digital environment, with hybrid workplaces and cloud applications, ZTE creates a new parameter that protects against modern threats. How does Zero Trust Edge work? ZTE meticulously authenticates every network transaction, treating all interactions as potentially risky. It uses cloud or edge-hosted security stacks, ensuring efficiency even in high-bandwidth scenarios. It relies on two key principles: cloud-based management for consistent policy enforcement, and analytics tools that detect anomalies and optimize network performance. Organizations can monitor and manage security and networking centrally, ensuring robust protection without sacrificing performance. There are three main approaches to implementing ZTE. The first is a cloud-based ZTE service, where multiple points of presence, POPs, deliver capabilities similar to software-as-a-service models. The second is ZTE as an extension of a wide area network, where carriers provide outsourced security. However, this option may lack the agility of cloud-based systems. Lastly, organizations can develop their own homegrown ZTE framework, offering flexibility but requiring significant expertise and resources. What are the benefits of Zero Trust Edge? ZTE reduces risk by embedding security at entry level. It enforces strict access controls, ensuring consistent security across hybrid workplaces. It's cost-effective due to its cloud-driven nature, scalable to meet growing demands while optimizing resource use. ZTE improves user experience by enhancing network performance and application speeds. It also unifies cybersecurity infrastructure, consolidating tools and reducing vendor complexity. Finally, ZTE eliminates data backhauling, enhancing connectivity and performance by inspecting traffic at the nearest cloud on-ramp. What are the challenges of Zero Trust Edge? Implementing ZTE can be challenging due to legacy equipment, capacity limitations, and the disruption of traditional security practices. Organizations must carefully assess their infrastructure and plan the transition to address these challenges effectively. To summarize, Zero Trust Edge is a vital evolution in networking and security, integrating zero trust principles to meet the demands of today's hybrid, interconnected environments.